I guess we're live. One more roundabout how I found Motor Toy Matt here. Please subscribe to my new YouTube tech channel. I failed to say that a lot, but I think this gets the message across a heck of a lot easier, you know? So fully functional assembled units, they're the same. So I decided to add plug and play means plug and play, right? The vintage tech parts way, vintage TEQ parts way is plug and play, at least best as possible, humanly possible. So we got some number 4 12 millimeter hex bolts, 8 millimeter by 1.25 for each ear, some snappy hose clamps with flathead 10 millimeter hex, and some Nippon Denso decals. So we got mounting hardware, the hose clamps for the fittings, 2-speed heaters, the body mount grommets for underneath, anti-vibration grommets, both been bench tested, pressure tested, and I just simply love Nippon Denso decals. I mean, it doesn't do aggressive, but these are the chrome foil ones. These aren't no cheesy little Staples Office Depot ones. These are the chrome mylar ones. So I had a few of them sitting around, but yeah, really nothing negative to report. Let me think. Yeah, equally as good each unit. I just to be fair, square, honest, open, and transparent, like I try to always be. At Bloomhauer has frustrated refusal. He mentioned this to me that he was interested in these, so I went ahead and I put them together. It's Sunday night, so he has first right of refusal, which he'll I'm sure he'll let me know right away, since he's glued to the mud channel 24/7. But I'll tell you what, I'm also going to throw in a pile of these rascals. These are the number 4 bolts. It was a 10-pack, so I'll give you a handful of these characters. I mean, God, it's like going to Vegas, you know? Yeah, look at that, man. I would attest that Mr. Bloomhauer also, can attest to the quality of my made in Japan bolts, since he received the Ark of the Covenant sometimes last year, a gold-plated box. But yeah, anyway, ready to go. Shipping's always a weird topic. These are questionable for a large flat rate box. If they can get in there disassembled, I think what I do is I would probably, if they can't all get in a large flat rate box, I'll ship them in 2 flat rate boxes or something. But many Toyota man hours anyway went into these. So I'm not gonna let something to chance, you know, like shipping. So if we could do one large flat rate box, we will. If not, it'll go in 2 boxes. It's as simple as that. And fully insured is absolutely mandatory. I won't ship these without insurance. Bottom line, it protects both of us. And you know, I mean, you really want your 6 little new friends that could be there, right? I simply love my JIS gold bolts. My little babies.